welcome back to my channel. Today I have a lovely guest, my sister, my other sister, Natalia.
Hey.
You guys have met her on my first video, and now she's back to get her hair done. We're not doing braids today. We are doing clip-on extensions. Woo! So Natalia's never had her hair long.
No.
Okay, 3rd grade she had her hair long.
No,
She keeps saying
8th grade.
8th grade, 3rd grade I had my hair so long, and that was before puberty. Now she's after puberty, and we're gonna add some clip-in extensions right here. And we're just gonna clip them in and blend them in with her hair. I think we're gonna go with the more sleek look. So how we're gonna do this is we're gonna section out her hair, and we're gonna start from the bottom, which is the bottom part of her hair, and we're gonna work our way up. So I'll show you guys how I apply it. Since her hair is short and it's kind of like a blunt cut, what we wanna do is we wanna make sure that the inner parts of your hair is blended in. See, I have really short hair that's up to here as well, and I have a blunt cut, but I hid all my shorter hairs by blending it in, by making sure my sections that I'm doing are very minimal and kind of thin. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a small section from the bottom. We sectioned off the bottom parts of her hair like this. We didn't take too thick of a section just so that we can make sure the bottom pieces blend. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a smaller section and I'm gonna tease the hair. So you're gonna start from the bottom and pull up a little bit. This will help the extension lock into the hair. I'm going to spray the tresemme onto the clips. What I'll do is I'm going to take the clip and I'm going to lock it in to the part that we teased. So now we're going to take another section. We used the two clip one on the very bottom. Now since we're going up higher, it gets a little bit, the section gets a little wider. So we're going to use the 3 clip extension. We're going to do the same exact thing. We're going to take some small pieces from here and we're going to tease. And this will not damage your hair. Once you shower, just make sure you condition the top of your head and then comb it out from the bottom up, and these will just come right out. So we're going to do the same thing. Spray it. This will help lock it in. So if any girl wants to pull your hair, these will not be going anywhere. So I'm gonna take her hair and put it behind her ear. That's how I like to do it. So as you can see, as we approached higher, we put this set of 2 clips on the side of her head. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take another set of 2 clips and we're going to apply it on the back of her head so that we can cover these shorter pieces. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I tease the back. I'm gonna spray the clips so it locks in. Now you could see blends better in the back. So what we notice is that there's a short piece right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this a little further back. Okay, so now that we're approaching to the end of her hair, we have this piece left on this side. So what we're going to do is, as you can see, there's a gap right here. These pieces are long, these pieces are short. Our goal is to fill in the gap like this, so that we can't see those short pieces anymore. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to clip this hair clip closer to her hairline so that we can fill in that gap. We want to make sure we're not teasing these baby hairs that are in the front so it doesn't look crazy. What we're going to do is we're going to clip it closer to her hairline. So we finished applying all the extensions into her hair. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use some oil, Bumble and Bumble Defrizz, literally my favorite. Love hair oil. And since her hair is a little bit softer than the extensions, I'm going to put this on the bottoms of her hair to make it look hydrated, shiny, and sleek. So now you can't even tell that she's wearing extensions. What we're going to do is we're going to clean up the bottoms just so little. Your butt is so...
What?
Damn, your butt is really jiggly. My butt is not really like that. Okay. We're just cutting the little strands so it doesn't look like it's dead hair. So guys, we are finally done with putting in the clip-in extensions. Look how cute and chic she looks. She's never had her hair this long. This is the first time she's even ever wearing clip-ins. How do you like that?
They're actually really comfortable.
So we got this look inspired from Kim Kardashian's wedding video. I don't know why, I don't know, her hair looked so good for her wedding. And I really like the fact that the back part of her hair had a little bit of a bump, like a bump it. And that was just due to teasing. So if you can see, like on the side, move closer. If you can see, she has some more volume in the back side of her head. I like the volume. And then the front, we added some volume on the top so she can put her hair behind her ears like this to get a sleeker look. You can change it up. Baby hair, it's like moving a different direction. But honestly, you can't even tell that she had short hair, can you?
No.
How cute. You can't even tell where her short pieces are. It literally is nice and blended. The bottoms blend in perfectly. And turn to the left a little bit. You can't even tell right here. And she's done, guys. So if you guys are interested in finding out more tips and tricks on how to do different hairstyles, subscribe to our channel. And if you guys like this video or have any questions, please comment below. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it.